In this video, you'll open Gmail and take a look around. On the tab where you've just signed in to Google, find the Google Apps icon. It's a symbol with 9 small dots located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Google Apps icon to open the Google Apps menu. Then find the Gmail icon, which should be toward the top. If you can't see it, you may have to scroll down to locate it. To do this, place the cursor on the light gray line at the right of the Apps menu. Press the button on your mouse or trackpad and move your mouse downward. Once you find the Gmail icon, click on it. This will open Gmail. The largest section is your inbox. Your inbox is like a mailbox that collects all your emails. Click on any email to open and read it. Your inbox will have 3 tabs. The tabs sort email you receive into different categories, so you can decide which ones to prioritize. Primary is where your emails from friends, family, coworkers, and some companies will be. The Social tab will store emails you've received from social networks and media sharing sites. And your Promotions tab will store advertisements from companies. Now take a look inside your spam folder. In the menu on the left side of your screen, click More, then click Spam. The spam folder is designed to catch all spam emails so it doesn't go into your inbox. Spam is email that has been sent out in bulk without the permission of the recipient. Spam email is often trying to sell something, but it could also include dangerous content such as scams, viruses, or malware, which could harm your computer or compromise your security. Be careful when opening email from people or companies you don't know, and definitely do not click on any links or open any attachments from unknown senders. Sometimes, Gmail may label a legitimate email as spam by accident, so it's a good idea to occasionally open up your spam folder to see what's there. If someone tells you they sent an email but you haven't received it, it might be in your spam folder. If you find an email that was put in spam incorrectly, select it. Then, click the Not Spam button. To leave your spam folder, click the word Inbox on the upper left side. Now it's your turn. Open the Google Apps menu. Select Gmail. Open the Primary, Social, and Promotions tab. Open your spam folder and return to your inbox. Then click Next to watch the next video.